Hey, K.Dot for the win, man. I can't tell you how good it felt to see all the sections together on stage out here in Inglewood, man, at the Forum, man. And you know what I mean, just the same way we talking MHOE and keeping it cold, we seeing it like manifest in all different shades and sizes and you know what I mean, just designs. The creators' designs, the pattern is amazing, man. Like we talking about keeping it cold, and we talking about, you know what I'm saying, no power before our power, and how the street code really breaks off from the creator's commandments. You know what I'm saying? Don't kill, right? Don't kill your brother. You know what I'm saying? Don't kill your sisters. Don't steal from each other, man. No lying on each other, right? No false witnessing, right? In the streets, it's no snitching, and the code of the creator is no false witnessing. Don't be a false witness. You know what I'm saying? You could talk about something in your tribe, you know what I mean, but don't falsely witness something and get somebody jammed up. But to see all the sections on stage, man, and see how he took a beef situation and turned it into a W for the whole city, but really for the world, because everything we doing out here, they watching, you know what I'm saying? Just like we watching them. We all are inspiring each other, man. Frequency affects frequency. And to feel that frequency of Ahab, don't no one give stronger Ahab than these Nagas, right? Than these Nagas, man. You know what I'm saying? Our love is so strong, man. So, hey, K.Dot for the win. Halal HaWah.